Hello, bachon. Let us read this question. This is a matching type question. So let us see this. Match the compound given in a column 1 with the hybridization and shape given in the column 2 and mark the correct option. हमें अब मैचिंग करना है कॉलम 1 का मॉलिक्यूल्स एंड कॉलम 2 का स्ट्रक्चर से. ओके, एंड वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट वन correct option from A, B, C, D. After solving this, let us solve this question. सो XeF6 का फर्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे. द फर्स्ट वन इज XeF6. This XeF6 xenon, it is in see orbital picturization we will write to understand in a better way. This is xenon 5s, 5p and 5d. This xenon is noble gas, so NH2NP6 configuration, outermost electronic configuration I wrote. This is ground stated. Okay, to form 6 bonds, it requires 6 unpaired electrons. So it undergoes excited state. So this electron is jumped from here to here and here to here and here to here. So in the excited state, it has this type of electronic arrangement. These are not disturbed. These are lone pair is as it is remain. And remaining all becomes unpaired electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it undergoes sp3 d3 hybridization. As it is sp3 d3 hybridization, we are expecting pentagonal bipyramidal structure, but one position is occupied by the lone pair. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this is 6 bonds, no lone pairs, it is perfectly octahedral. But one position is occupied by this lone pair. And these are with XeF bonds are 6 here. Now what is the shape? Its shape is distorted octahedral. Because of the presence of lone pairs, it is distorted octahedral shape. Whereas the second molecule, what is second molecule? XeO3. XeO3, xenon again, it is in the third excited state. Third excited state is also the same. Now it is also in the third excited state because it is having 6 bonds. So now out of 3 oxygens, one is forming, see, out of 3 oxygens, first sigma bond is formed by hybrid orbitals. And later these 3 d orbitals involved in the pi bond formation. So they leave 3 orbitals for pi bond formation. Remaining orbitals undergo hybridization, that is sp3 hybridization. So XeO3 hybridization is sp3 xenon ट्राइऑक्साइड का. और यहाँ पे पाई बॉन्ड, अभी पाई बॉन्ड फॉर्म हो जाएगा ऑक्सीजन से. एक सिग्मा बॉन्ड, एक पाई बॉन्ड. सिग्मा बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म्ड बाय हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स. Pi bond is formed by pure d orbitals of xenon and it has lone pair of electrons. So what is the shape? Hybridization is sp3 and the shape is pyramidal shape. Okay, so first these two will match with this matching. XeF6 distorted octahedral, XeO3 pyramidal. Let us check. XeF6 distorted octahedral, ये मैच हो गया. नेक्स्ट XeO3 pyramidal, ये दोनों मैच हो गए. Okay, now let us solve C and D also. C, XeOF4, XeOF4. Here also it requires 6 electrons. So it has 4 bonds with fluorine and 2 bonds with oxygen. Again it is in the third excited state. Already I explained you what is third excited state. So same picturization, orbital picturization. Okay, this is lone pair left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here, how many oxygens are there? One oxygen. So leave one d orbital for pi bond and remaining orbitals undergo hybridization. Now the hybridization is sp3d2 hybridization. Why one orbital I left? Because one oxygen is there. So sp3d2 hybridization. Okay. So this sp3d2 means 6 bonds are 6 means octahedral shape we are expecting. But due to the presence of lone pairs, see Xe 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds with 4 fluorine atoms. Okay. And this is just like a square, right? Square. And here oxygen with 1 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. That pi bond is formed by d orbital of xenon. And this xenon is having lone pair of electrons in sp3d2 hybrid orbital. Now what is its shape? Its shape is called as square pyramidal. Okay, let us match this. ये match करेंगे XeOF4 स्क्वायर पिरामिडल, इससे मैच हो गया है. लास्ट का देखेंगे XeF4. So last one is XeF4. Here also xenon. But 4 electrons are required, not 6 electrons. So it undergoes second excited state. Only 2 electrons are excited. And this is the orbital picturization. This is, these 2 pairs are lone pairs. Okay, only 2 electrons gets excited. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unpaired electrons are available. Now it undergoes sp3d2 hybridization. There is no oxygen, no pi bonds, no need to leave the d orbitals for pi bond. Only oxygen is forming pi bond, not fluorine. Here sp3d2 hybridization. sp3d2 means we are expecting is an octahedral shape, but due to the presence of 2 lone pairs, the shape is deviated. Let us see this. X, F, F, and F, and F. So it is just like a square, right? It is a square. And 2 lone pair of electrons. This is one lone pair, and this is another lone pair. And the shape is called square planar shape. Square planar shape, sp3d2 hybridization with 2 lone pairs. So let us check this matching. XeF4 square planar. अब बताओ, अभी चेक करो. A1 ऑप्शंस कहाँ पे है? A1 ऑप्शन बी में है, सी में भी है. तो हमारा आंसर ये नहीं हो सकता और डी भी नहीं है. 2 ऑप्शंस एलिमिनेटेड. अब बी में सी में चेक करना है. और बी XeO3 इज मैचिंग विथ 3. देखो यहाँ पे डिसाइड हो गया हमारा ऑप्शन बी करके. ऑप्शन सी XeOF4 is with 4 and D is with 2. Yes. So, which option is correct? Option B is correct. Hope you understood. Good luck.